The demolition of illegal structures for Gishiri village, Kantape district, Abuja, caused wahala on Tuesday as some residents try resist the exercise, almost even commit suicide, wey make the security to use tear gas to scatter the angry people and some hoodlums. FCT Minister Wike, wey personally go visit the site, ordered the FCDA bulldozers to clear the road corridor for the ongoing dualization of Arterial Road N16 wey go past Gishiri village. Oga Wike wey show say belle no suit am at all with the resistance, come here and say the residents no follow the 3 months notice to leave the road area, say government no go tolerate that kind disobedience again. E come stay here and say apart from the notice wey dem give the residents, dem don approve payment for compensation to people wey get proper title documents.
For the interest of the public, not as if anybody is coming to acquire land to build houses. So I called them from Milan that I'm going to be personally here to supervise this demolition, and that's what I came for. Let them know that it's no longer going to be business as usual. But we have given them enough time. I'm not going to say because of few people, government will not do their work. No. We've given them more than 2-3 months. And nobody, I cannot fold my hands and say, okay, let the job stop. No, we won't do that. We have sat down with the community leaders and their chiefs. I've told them the need for them to cooperate with government so that the contractor, CGC, will be able to connect this road and then hand it over by May ending. The traditional ruler, of course, pleaded with us to give them 1 week. The money for compensation has been made available, and we did also promise them, as part of that, we'll still make available somewhere they can relocate.
Oga Wike also here and say im go return to the site to check the project and make sure say the contractor finish the work before May 2025. Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. Ekata Ojesele reporting for TMC TV.